Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly enable camera and microphone use pop-up notifications on Chrome. This simple setting gives you extra control and peace of mind whenever Chrome is accessing your camera or microphone. So let's walk through the steps together. First, unlock your phone and head straight into your settings. This is where we'll find all the options we need. Once you're inside settings, scroll down until you see apps and give that a tap. Here, you'll find a list of all the apps installed on your device. Next, look for Chrome in that list and select it. This will open all the individual settings related to Chrome, including permissions, storage, and of course, notifications. For this tutorial, we're focused entirely on the notification settings. So, tap on Notifications. Inside, you'll see various categories of alerts that Chrome can send you. To take it a step deeper, tap on Notification Categories. This section breaks things down into more specific options, so you can customize exactly what Chrome is allowed to notify you about. Now comes the important part. Find the option labeled Camera and Microphone Use. This is the category that controls whether Chrome will specifically notify you when the camera or microphone is active. Once you've found it, tap on it, and then look for the toggle switch labeled Show as Pop-up. Turn that switch on. What this does is make sure you get an instant pop-up notification whenever Chrome is using your camera or microphone, so you'll always be aware. And that's it. From now on, whenever Chrome accesses your camera or microphone, you'll see a clear pop-up notification, letting you know right away. It's a small step, but one that adds an extra layer of transparency and security to your everyday browsing. If you found this guide helpful, take a moment to set it up on your own phone and enjoy that added peace of mind, knowing you're always in control of your privacy.